What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So here's a Cavalier I picked up for 250 bucks. Gasoline all over the ground because 7 holes were punched in the gas tank. Foam insulation for housing sprayed in different places on the car, interior and exterior. It was parked for a year with the windows down. Lots of wires were cut. They couldn't figure out why it wouldn't run, so they decided to tear it up for fun. A lot of people thought it should go to a scrapyard, but with my neck injury and being told by the doctor that I can't do this kind of stuff anymore, I felt the need to prove that I could still work miracles when it comes to vehicles. So this car had mechanical issues, cosmetic issues, as you can clearly see. There was water 3 inches filled in the floorboards. It was really nasty. I think when you're done watching the video, you'll be pretty amazed at what I did with this car. It took a lot of work, but from the day I purchased it until the day it was complete and sold was less than 1 week. And I took this car even with all the parts that were needed to repair it. I had a total investment of $650 in it. That includes the purchase price, and I sold it within a week for $1,300. Here I am out at the local pull-apart yard getting pieces. There's a cart full of the parts I needed to put the car together. There they are in the trunk of the 300. Here they are lined up on the ground of my yard. Here I've got the original dash pulled out. I'm starting to resplice some wiring. There's the completed wiring harness for the radio. Pontiac Sunfire dash panel fit in the Cavalier. And there it is all put back together. I did most of that in the course of 2 days. From start to finish. I did all the detailing and everything myself. It needed a hub bearing. It needed 2 motor mounts. The tags needed updated, and all the pieces to the dash, battery terminals. It only had 2 lug nuts on each wheel. I put all new lug nuts on it. So there you go, guys. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video.